Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel CognitiveCoders. So today this is our 11th video of Azure Data Factory RealTime Scenario series. So if you guys are following our channel and if you guys are following our this playlist, then you have gone through previous 10 videos, 10 important uh, real-time scenarios videos, which is very much, all those videos are very much useful and effective in today's world, in today's industrial work, real-time industrial work, I can say. Okay, so today's videos also, in today's in our real-time projects, we used to use this kind of setup. Okay, what I can say, the setup. Okay, the data factory setup. So let's see. So as an data engineer, I always have to validate our schema for source system to our sync system. Okay, whatever it is thus in source, whatever it is in sync, how to validate that schema. Okay, so before processing, that we will learn here. Okay, so I hope you guys are practicing well also. So every time, just going ahead with new video, try to complete the older one, because older one is related to this. Okay, so every time I'm preferring that before going ahead with new video, complete the earlier videos and then come here, otherwise you will not able to catch up. Okay, so basically link service, the connection strings and all, I have already set up and I have shown you guys in our earlier video, so I will not show you in this video. I'll directly start the solution on based on the today's topic. Okay, so let's go. This is our channel, you guys all know. If you still not subscribe our channel, I would request you guys, please do subscribe our channel. Okay, so today's topic is how to validate file schema before processing ADF. So basically we have one source folder, as like earlier, the source folder we have on CSV. So we have multiple example CSV. Using that I will show you the scenario. Okay, so I have this data: employee ID, employee name, age and city. Okay, you can understand the schema is employee ID, employee name, age and city. In CSV file it is, so all the data are in string. It is not in integer, it is in string. Okay, and coming to the sync folder also, I have one file the in same name, or you can keep it in different name also. That is that doesn't bother anything. Okay, so I have just the headers. Okay, so employee ID, employee name, age and city. Okay, it is in CSV, so all the column format it is in string data type. Okay, uh, so if I have to take the data from source system means source IND employees to sync IND employees. Okay, so I'm just renaming sync IND EMP. So if I have to take the data from source to sync, before that I have to validate it. Otherwise, if there is any kind of mm, sorry, I forgot to give the CSV. Let me do that. I have changed the path, but I forgot to give the CSV. Let me change it. Now it's okay. So basically, whenever we are copying some data, we have to match the schema, otherwise it might got failed for this schema issue. Okay, data type or something, like something, anything schema mismatched. Okay, so what we will do now, we will go to here and we'll create one pipeline. It is simple work. Okay, uh, just first time, if you are doing first time, it would be difficult. Otherwise, once you understand, then it is a simple work. So we have metadata activity to get the uh, files metadata, the source file or sync file metadata. So I will use two metadata activity. Okay, metadata, or I can copy from here also. Okay, okay, so I'm just renaming first metadata. This is source metadata. Okay, and I'll take the file name and I'll pass the file name employee ID, the India employee ID or CSV, or you can parameterize it. So I'll take it from parameter. So source file. Okay, so I'll pass the value. So I'll pass the value and I'll take it from here. Okay, so source file as a parameter. Okay, so this is okay. Source file I have taken, and in field list I'll check the structure of the file because I have to validate the schemas. Okay, and next what I do, in sync folder I have the file name sync India file list. Okay, so this is also we can parameterize. So in pipeline parameter level we can define it, sync folder. Okay, here the name I can change, sync metadata, sync metadata. Okay, and then next sync folder. Okay, now fine. Now we can give if condition here. Okay, so in if condition we can pass like this. In if condition we can pass the activity, sorry, the we have sync metadata and source metadata. Okay, we just have to equal it using the equal function. Equal equal function, then activity output sync metadata. I have to take the structure from the sync metadata. So structure, comma, then source metadata. Source metadata dot structure. Okay, now if this is true, then in true you can pass any condition. You can pass any copy activity like this. You can do your source file. You can use the source file path, this uh, parameter source file in sync folder latest file. I will use the file. Okay, so here sync file. sorry, sync folder. Okay, so if the things going okay, it will copy the data. If the things goes wrong, it will just go to false condition. For understanding the false condition, I will use here one wait activity. So it will just wait for a single minute. Okay, so minute already 1 second is by default. If you want, you can use 2 second, 3 second like this. I am keeping it one. Okay, so it's my pipeline is done. Let's run it. So what it is telling, sync metadata can't be. Okay, let me check what happened. Okay, now I think it will work. Get metadata can't be empty. Okay. One thing I forgot to sync, forgot to add. Here I forgot to mention the structure. Every time the structure will take. Okay, so let's run it. If the condition matches, then it will go to the uh, true condition. If the condition doesn't match, then it will go to the false. So copy activity is running, so condition is matched. Okay, so the negative condition also I'll show you. Let's complete the copy activity. It doesn't have data. Let's see it has data or not. So it has succeed. Let's see. It is something like that. It has 5 rows. It has copied. Refresh. It will come. It is coming. The data it is coming. Okay. So as I told you, in CSV all are in string. You can see 14, 42, all are in string. Okay. So now if I'll change the source file format, in source file, if I'll change something uh, in structure, something like CT, I'm just keeping it in capital C. Okay, like this. Now let's run it. It will go to the false condition and it will wait. It will execute the wait activity. It will not copy. You can see it is in wait activity. Nothing is working. The same data is here in sync folder. Nothing has been changed. Okay, so in this way you can verify your source and uh, sync path, data type, and whatever uh, thing you want to validate, or means the how to validate the schema for source and sync path. You can do like this also. Okay, so I think this video is would be useful for you guys, whoever are aspiring for data engineering roles, because in real life industries, this kind of scenarios every time we have to perform in every pipelines, because every time, whatever data it will come from the source, we have to change the types and all. After that we have to verify with the source, a sync system, that it is the comparison is matching or not. Then we are transferring the data. Otherwise the pipeline might get failed. Every time pipeline might get multiple might raise multiple issues. That's why we are verifying before that using the if condition. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoying this video and you guys are learning. And also do practice. Without practice you will not able to remember. There are multiple things we need to configure, parameter level and all, how to do it parameter level, how to define the folder name parameter level, how to parameterize the dataset. That all the things I have shared in my earlier video. As I told you, you have to see the earlier video. There are little short thing. Every time I can't describe because video will go longer then. Okay, so see, and if you guys are facing any kind of challenges, you can directly connect with me via topmate. Connecting with me via topmate, there is no charges. Okay, and everything is free. Okay, and if you want to see any other topics video, you can comment. Please comment. And if this videos you have, you think that if videos needs to be improved, then also you can comment on this video. Because without your comments and all, we will not able to understand that from you guys side feedback. Okay, without your feedback we will not able to motivate us. Okay, so thank you for watching our video. Please stay with us and please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye.